Hi there. What you're watching right now in this flickery 3D printing video is my printing of the small support mouse tail that I sourced on shapeways.com. And I believe it was produced by Microsoft, the Microsoft Adaptive Accessories team. There are quite a few 3D files from that team for the Microsoft Adaptive Mouse and a few other of their products. I printed this directly as it came. I imported it into Bambu Studio for my P1P. I did enable supports and I increased the raft layers, 3 layers, so that it wouldn't topple over. As you can see, I printed it in the tall orientation so that I would get a good indexing tenon on the inside without supports that can be a little messy.
So now that you've printed your mouse tail, as they call it, you can use your Microsoft Adaptive Mouse to slot it in there. If you want to take a real quick look down inside, there's an indexing tenon, if you will, and inside, if you can barely see it, there's another slot down there that receives the latch. And so it's quite simple. You take your adaptive mouse and you slide off the cover, which matches the inside of that, and you slot it in until it clicks, just like that. And then it's a pretty nice fit. The clicks are not as satisfying as they are when you're clicking the mouse by itself, but it is serviceable. And you can kind of get to the wheel, but this particular shape was provided by Microsoft, as I said before, and I printed it out just as it came. But for a child's hand, this would fit nicely, and I'm actually working on different mouse shapes for various projects and am using it. But there was some interest in seeing how this went together, and there you go. I hope you found this useful. Have a nice day.